Runway 08, wind is 010 degrees 5 knots. Runway 08, you're cleared for touch and go.
Turn left base, runway 08, clear for takeoff, 3 Juliet Romeo.
Correction, Tower Juliet Romeo would like a full stop taxi back.
Okay, so expect vacate runway after landing via taxiway Bravo and Charlie again to holding point runway 08.
Expect taxi back, thank you, 3 Juliet Romeo.
And Juliet Romeo, you're clear to land runway 08.
Clear to land 08 to Juliet Romeo.
Excellent.
So,
landing light on because we have a clearance to land.
landing on.
Look out the window and tell me if you want to lower the nose or not.
Yeah, one.
All right, so put down the
Check
gear.
altitude.
There's
Gear
no hurry.
down.
Don't rush, but be prompt.
Flaps 10.
Power to 300. You're looking for 120 knots now, so you're about 30 knots fast. I'm not rushing you. I'm just telling you, you know, you want to be prompt, but you don't want to rush.
200.
That's going to help you get better control. Good. There you go. Looking good. We have 3 green. We have a runway in front of us. I can't quite tell if it's clear, but as we get closer, we'll deal with that.
Okay, flaps second.
If you're ready. Now I want you to hold at least 110 knots this far away and soon 100 knots. But we're going to change speed, not with power, but with flaps. And by the way,
500.
if we get slow, feel free to add power. Don't be thinking, well, you know, we're supposed to be at 300 pounds and we're a little slow, but that's okay. No, it's not. You want to be not seriously under speed. This looks good. You're on the center. Your wings are level. Speed looks good. Think about more flaps when you're ready. Push, push, push. Don't let the nose come up. Good. Nice. Wings level. Don't rock and roll. Hold the wings level and hold the crab. Keep the nose down. Do not overfly the threshold. So if you start to flare way up here, we'll run out of energy. Keep coming down. When you're ready for slower, squeeze the power away. It's going to be a little bit of right rudder. Just a little. Just a little. Hold it still, don't pull, just run the trim. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, that right rudder. Yep, that one right there, sweet. Now, I gave you some right rudder because you were slow on it, but that's all I did. Beta back pressure brakes. Nicely done.
I was just too concentrated on the beach.
Good.